Cass Chronicles presents Classic Lips and Lashes. Come on in and put your cups up for this short tutorial. I'm using some Fenty Pro Filter matte foundation around the perimeter of my face. I'm taking the Beautee Brush here and I am stippling it in circular motion around the outer perimeter of my face, working my way inward, not really adding any product, but trying to get a skin-like finish. Using some P. Louise Rumor Base in number 1, I'm taking the Beautee Brush and creating my highlight, putting it in under the eyes, doing under my nose, my chin, and taking the patter brush, I am going to use it for the precision along my nose, the bridge of my nose and my forehead here. Using the brow cream in chocolate, I am taking the brow brush out of the Beauty Basics brush kit and shaping these brows out. I love the creamy finish of the brow cream. It really gives me a good finish on the brows. Taking the concealer brush, we are cleaning underneath the brows first and using the patter brush to blend in that concealer there because we still want a skin-like finish, and this brush really helps to achieve that look. Taking the Beauty powder brush and some setting powder, I am setting all of the concealer all over my face where I placed highlight. Now we're going to contour. And here we are with the patter brush again, and I am using the natural line of my contour to create a shape here. We are stippling it in and blending as we go along. This patter brush is truly a diverse brush. You can do way more than you know with it. Now using the Beauty Basics palette, I'm using a nude color because again we're doing a classic look focused on the lashes and the lips. I am stippling in some powder there and using my Unbothered lashes, which are 5D. I just absolutely love them. Taking the Beauty powder brush, I am going to apply my blush here. I'm using Bella by Juvia's Place. And now for the Queen lip dressing. It really goes on smooth and it smells so good. It's kind of like coconut or something. We want to focus on shaping out that Cupid's bow, because if you go back to the 1940s and you look at those photos, they really shaped out their Cupid's bows to do that classic look. Beauty earrings, okay, we have some accessories, y'all. Go and pick them up on the site. Follow me on the Cass Chronicles on Facebook and Cass the _the MUA on Instagram. Go shop thebeautieshoppe.org and use the elite code CASSFAM. Thank you for joining.